Hey there, fellow creators, and welcome to today's video where we are talking about email marketing. Don't worry, this is just water. It's not wine, I promise. But we are going to get into how I use email marketing in my creator business. I'm sure you're watching this because you're creating content yourself or you want to create content in the future, but you want to know, where does email marketing play into the bigger scheme of things? So let's get right to it. Hey there, like I said earlier, Crystal here today. I'm a podcast coach and content strategist, and I love to talk about email marketing. It's one of those things that it has been integral to the success of my business. And over time, I've tried many platforms, but the one that I have stuck with for many years, since like 2018, is Convertkit. I've actually partnered with them today to create this video. And what I really wanted to talk about is specifics on how I use it to grow my email list every single day. So I'm actually going to hop over to the computer and show you the features that have helped me get so many more subscribers to my email list. They're actually really good leads. It's not like this random algorithm that's throwing people to me and then they subscribe and then unsubscribe. Like, people are hanging around for a while and really consuming the stuff that I'm creating. So let's go to the computer and I'm going to show you my Convertkit. So the first step is getting started. If you're not currently a Convertkit user, you can go to crystalproffitt.com/Convertkit. Yes, I'm an affiliate with Convertkit. I am a proud partner and I love promoting what they do. But what you can do is, once you get there, you can create an account, or you can go ahead and log in if it's something that you've already, you're already a Convertkit user. But it's really simple. Just put in your name and your email and a few things, and then boom, you will have a Convertkit account. So this is step one for you rocking your business this year with Convertkit. And then once you've logged in and you've created an account, or you have an existing Convertkit account, you have everything set up, then you'll have this lovely dashboard. Okay, I'm totally dating myself with this, but I remember Convertkit before it had all the fancy features that it has today, which keeps me coming back to this platform because they keep enhancing all the tools that they have to make it easier for you to manage your email list. So the dashboard is something that's super helpful for me to see at a quick glance how my email list is performing. But plus, they also have these great resources over on the right side where you can see the latest tools, blog posts, videos that the team puts out there. But I actually want to go over to your recommendations. This is really what I wanted to talk about here today because it's how I use the Convertkit Creator Network. You can find more information below this video on how the Creator Network works and why it's important and why you should use Convertkit to help you grow your email list organically. But I'm gonna have those resources linked below. I'm actually gonna take you over to my recommendations. And once we're here, you can see that I have 41 people recommending me. That means anytime someone joins their email list, they're also recommending my email list. Do you see how that works? Isn't that super cool? And I love coming over here and seeing that, how many new subscribers I have and the conversion rate, like how often are people signing up to get on my email list from the recommended creators that are also saying, hey, you should go check out Crystal. This is how, cool she is. I don't know. I'm really not that cool, but you get the gist. Like, they want to come see what I'm creating. But the other piece that I love is being able to see who my recommendations are. So I have people where, it can say the conversion rate for my recommendations is 22%. So I like to think that I'm recommending people that my audience or potential audience, if they're finding me for the first time, it's people that they would also want to be following or should be following, because I know people in my industry that I'm like, hey, these are other experts, go check them out. So it's a way for people within the creator network to give recommendations, get recommendations, and all of us can grow together. But the other thing that I want to show you real fast is if you go back up to grow, over to your creator profile, this is where you can stand out from the other people that are on the creator network. This is what people will see. So once you get here, this is what my creator profile looks like. It's very simple, and that was by design. They actually have a lot of really cool templates that you can browse. So if this isn't the one that you love, then that's okay. There's plenty of other templates. Actually, let's go to the templates. Let me show you where the templates are. So if you go back to creator profile, it says design and template. You can go over here where it says browse templates, and you can pick how you want it to be. Do you want to highlight some of your newsletters that you have, or do you want to put some other images that really showcase who your brand is and what you do? Then you have these fantastic, beautifully designed templates that you can go check out. So I highly recommend you explore these and decide what will work best for you and your brand, but you can customize everything. So what I love about Convertkit, again, I know this is total braggadocious on Convertkit and all of their features, but I love being able to see, oh, okay, I can change the fonts to match my brand and my style if I want, or I could change the different colors. I love how they have all my saved brand colors. Again, making my life easier. Thank you so much, Convertkit. So I don't have to remember all these hex codes and like different things. Like it's just there. I load it in once and it's there. So I love that about the branding made simple here with Convertkit. So super fun. I love all of these features. So what happens when someone joins your list from another creator? Well, I set up an automation that is actually tagged for the creator network. You can see right here how you can set this up yourself. I have it to where it goes from the creator network to a special welcome sequence just for people that join through the creator network. I give them an overview of who I am. These people may have never heard of me. And I give kind of a deeper dive into what my brand is, what I'm all about, my journey as a creator, in hopes that that will get them to stick around longer. But then I also include my original welcome sequence that all subscribers get if they have not gone through it already in the automation. So it's cool that you can set up that condition where it says yes or no if they have a specific tag, and they can just go down the whole list. But speaking of tags, I actually have everyone tagged that joined through the creator network. So if I wanted to send them an email that said, hey, would you mind recommending me? Or here's someone that I think that you should be following, I could send targeted emails to people that have joined through the creator network. And I'm actually thinking of monetizing an email newsletter in the future, and I could send it specifically to my creator network audience if I wanted to. So I love that you can automatically tag through an automation within your Convertkit platform. Let me know if you want me to do a deep dive video on automations within Convertkit, because it's something that I have used for webinars, welcome sequences, affiliate launches. I love an automation because I don't have to remember to do all the things. It automatically happens once you set it up. So tell me in the comments if that's something else that you want me to talk about. So there you have it, a quick overview of Convertkit recommendations and a little sampling of all the fun things that I can do within Convertkit for my content creator business. And again, if you have any questions about Convertkit or how to use it, let us know in the comments so we can create more videos like this in the future that can help you have a bigger impact with your content in your creator business in the future. But that's all I have for you today. So make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss any of our other videos about content and marketing and all things online business. And as always, remember, keep it up. We all have to start somewhere.